Alright guys, so we're back with a 5-minute how to clean your bike tutorial. It's your boy ZDSG here, and I'm struggling with this clip. So I use this good old-fashioned Purple Power. Does the job good. Spray it down a little bit, just on like the mechanical parts, get the grease off. Before I grab the brush, just do most of the dirty work. Let that sit for about 2 to 3 minutes. So yeah, this here is my cycling kit, cleaning kit, I guess you want it, for lack of a better term. I have my cup, my chain holder. I'm gonna really go in real quick. It's gonna be a 5-minute one that turned into about 5 minutes. Okay, what you want to do is you want to find you want to find the chain link, the connector, the link. It looks like, see how all these links look like something? Here we are, right here. See the difference between these links, that link and that link? Start there. It's a good reference point to start. Just start with the brush. Cleaning all your chain. It's gook and it's muck off. It's sitting there. Oh man, I haven't cleaned my chain in about a month. I haven't ridden about a month. And what's a good form of practice, guys? To start cleaning your chain after each ride. I just hold it down last time. A little degreaser and greaser. Degrease, just can't go wrong with just sitting there spending that extra 5-10 minutes cleaning your chain. Pays off in the long run, guys. Trust me. Trust me. Chain, moving parts, degreaser, grease them all back up. Get all that gunk and shit out of there. Okay. Because you can't see it doesn't mean it's not there. Spray it down with the hose. Getting all that shit out of there. All that gunk and that junk. Wonder. So chain plan, I end up gonna actually taking the chain off, the tires off. I don't want to, but hey, sometimes you got to, right? Guys, this here, it's a real neat investment. To hold your chain in place when you want to clean it up and you want to make sure it's cleaned efficiently. I suggest you invest in one of these, guys. ZDSG approved. Throw this doohickey right here, turn it, loosen it up, hand tighten. Doesn't be perfect. The chain. Get all up in there, all that gook and that mud and that crap, all up on your bike. Get all up your bike. Make your baby look nice and clean. You take care of your bike will take care of you, guys. Trust me. Alright, look at that gook, that mess and that junk and that, Just so you guys at home know, I just use regular dish soap. If it's good enough, to clean your dishes, for you to eat off, it's good enough for you to ride on. You get me? That's my thought process behind it. So, hey, each his own. We're all different. We all have different cleaning processes, cleaning methods. That's what I do, and that's what works for me. So, and I also use WD-40 as a quick lube. If I don't have it in my lube, I tend to use a dry lube. Except for conditions like this, but today I don't have any lube, so WD-40 it is for this quick wash. Make sure you guys get under the chassis as well. I can't express how many times you see a nice clean bike and then you forget, oh shit, I forgot to clean under it. Or in here in this fork area, real important. Clean your brake pads as well. It's about time for me to get new ones soon. Get me this chassis. And shit. I gotta put some type of tape under here or something to protect my frame from damage for the winter. Careful to get all the components clean. Take your time, guys. Take your time. It's your bike. Spend your time, hard earned money on it. Clean it the right way. And rinse it off. Boom. Now the cooler go out of the tires. And that's it, guys. Rinse the tires off. And do the frame one more time with air nozzle. I'm all over the place right now. My brain's everywhere today. Where you find these? What the fuck this is called? Start there for location sense. Going once. Clean the hub if you can. Hub, gear set. Gear set if you can. It's nice, clean. Let that dry, air dry. Gear set facing down. Chain, see how the chain's looking? It's looking clean. Yeah, she's not looking like any dust or anything on there. Light grease, which is fine. It's not a perfect clean today. Letting this dry. And last but not least, all you have to do is just wipe off the excess lube from the chain, crankset, and the wheel set. Look how clean that looks now. Go. Nice and clean, guys. So yeah, nice and clean. Front wheel back on. Balance the tires, and that's it. So we're pretty much done, guys. Oh, tread first. So we're done, guys. Feel free to give me a comment below, hit that thumbs up button if you like this vid. Feel free to subscribe for more content like this. And from your boy ZDSG. Till we meet again. Take care, YouTube.